Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sacharan and you're watching ENK Learning. Let's start solving today's question. Show all columns for patient ID 542, most recent admission date. So it's very simple actually. Select from. So what we need? So to do such type of things, we need to group them, right? Group them. Group by patient ID. Patient ID. And then having patient ID is equals to 542, right? So from this table, admissions table. So what we need? All the columns. So this is the query. Let's check it. So what's wrong? What's wrong in this? Show all columns for patient ID, most recent date. Yeah. So here what they are saying is we need most recent date, and so to get most recent date, what does it mean? So the most recent date means it is a maximum in that date. So that is the reason we need to max of most recent date, max of admission date. So admission date is equals to max of admission date. So let's check it again. Yes, we got correct answer. Let's move on to next question. Show patient ID, attending doctor, and diagnosis for admissions that match one of the criteria. Patient ID is an odd number, and attending doctor ID is either 1, 5, or 19. This is one of the condition, and another condition is that attending doctor ID contains a 2. So in that ID there should be 1, 2. So and the length of the patient ID is 3 letters or 3 characters. So it's very easy. It's also very easy. Select admissions. From admissions, where. So what are the columns required? Patient ID, attending doctor ID, and then diagnosis. So these are the columns required for us. So what is the condition? So here there are two different conditions, and then they are saying that either of that should be correct. Either of the condition should be correct. So that is the reason I am using or here. So what's the first condition? Patient ID should be odd. Patient ID should be odd. So to do such type of things, what we can do? Patient ID, comma 2 is equals to 1. And then, so what does mod of patient ID, comma 2? So here is simply it will give remainder of a division. It will give remainder of a division. So here what it will do? It will divide the patient ID with 2 and it will give the remainder. If it is 1, if the remainder is 1, then it is obviously odd number, right? So and then attending doctor ID, like, so what they are asking? No, yes, in 1, 5, 19. So 19. So what they are asking? So attending order ID should be in either 1, 5, or 19. So in these 3, it should be there. So and this is one of the condition. Now next. What is the second condition? Attending order contains a 2 in the letter. 2 in the ID, right? Attending doctor ID, like percentage to percentage, simply. So you might have know what is the like operators, right? You must know. So if you want to know about, I will keep the link in description so you can watch it. So and then patient ID, length of patient ID. So length of patient ID is equals to 3. Length of patient ID equals to 3. So this is the query. Let's check it. So we got correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.